Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Elonpepe robot token. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It was up over 200% earlier. Right now it's up 177.93%. This is in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap after being listed. So they're doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on the Elonpepe robot token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, the Elonpepe robot token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, up almost 200% right now. You can find a full white paper listed on CoinMarketCap along with their webpage, elonpeperobot.xyz. They have their block explorer on here, their BSC scan. You can check that out. They also have Medium articles, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, and contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap. So what is this project all about here? It says algorithmic trading has a number of significant advantages. The speed of analysis, decision making, the number of operations performed, round-the-clock work overwhelming for human beings. The human factor influences, decreases, and strict adherence to trading strategy due to bad mood or fatigue. The increasing of the algorithmic traders' quantity is a global trend. There are, however, some problems for traders. The difficulty of programming bots by a user, high-quality solutions require a high technical threshold for entry due to the being written in their own programming languages. Dependence on infrastructure, servers, settings, uninterrupted operations of software and stable internet connection, and relatively high entry price. A logical way of developing this area is cloud services of algorithmic trading. Developers fully bear all the costs of creating trading robots and servicing all the infrastructure required for the smooth operations. Traders do not have the need to program all the necessary elements for the robot from scratch or create an expensive infrastructure. Access to robots and all the settings are carried out through a simple web interface. We decided to create a service and solve the problem, the cost. The flexible pricing system with the minimum price of only $5 a month will allow any trader to feel comfortable. The service is paid for by a subscription basis, so the users can refuse the service at any time without bearing unnecessary costs. So the grammar is a little bit off as I was reading that, but you get the idea. What it's a subscription service here that's going to help you with trading, and it's only $5 a month. So that's what the Elonpepe robot token is all about, this cloud-based algorithmic trading service. And it's designed for 24/7 automation of trading operations. It provides simple algorithms as well as complex, customizable, and full-fledged construction of trading robots. A web terminal that advanced functionality is designed for more comfortable trading and using non-standard functionality for exchanges, additional analysis capabilities, etc. The project goal is creating an optimal and stable cloud-based algorithmic trading service and web terminal with advanced functionalities. So the primary objectives in short form for this project here is creating the service core, connection to the most liquid cryptocurrency exchanges, creating a web interface for managing trading robots and additional functions of the service, creating a web terminal, creation of the robot's construction, creating a strategy tester for retrospective analysis, development of connectors to traditional markets, and then the secondary objectives here of this project is creating an online wallet with the possibility of staking coins, paying for services, buying project tokens, and creation of service for monitoring trading accounts, allowing anyone to conduct their public profile and open monitoring of trading accounts to confirm the success of trading and automatically analyze trading accounts, similar to myfxbook.com for the cryptocurrency market. So the Elonpepe bots, it says, will be coming soon. And they have a business model here. We already talked about the subscription for services. That's going to be $5 per month. And then fees from the online wallet. So when you stake or withdraw or things like that, there'll be some fees. And they're going to acquire some profit that way. And cost of promotions, bonuses, contests, special conditions for certain exchanges, coins, all that type of stuff. So that's where, the token comes into play, and they have a roadmap on here as well. So it started all the way back in 2019, it says, with the service core already done, spot trading implemented, margin trading implemented, one type of robot implemented, connector to 2 exchanges, Binance and Bitfinex, an interface for creating robots, working on beta version of the service launched. And then we got connectors to 2 exchanges, stop loss, 1 new indicator, alpha version of the online wallet, then connector to 2 exchanges, 1 new indicator, 1 new robot, alpha version of the trading terminal, alpha version of the strategy tester, beta version of online wallet, staking coins in wallet, connectors to 2 exchanges, trading bot, faucet game on Android, 1 new type of robot, 3 new indicators, online wallet release, beta version of strategy tester. Okay, so yeah, the roadmap's kind of all over the place. But yeah, you get the idea. It's just upgrading all the products that we already mentioned. So they're just going to come out one by one in the roadmap there. Now, I do not see a full audit on here anywhere. So just be aware of that. And I do not see a KYC. Their team is not doxed on their white paper at all. It says 30% of the tokens go to advertising, 20% infrastructure development and support, 50% payroll, fund developers, lawyers, marketers, managers, etc. So yeah, let me scroll their web page quickly here. They have NFTs. They show you what the NFTs look like. They're coming soon. 9,999 randomly generated NFTs based off the Elon Musk robot character. So it's a Pepe robot Elon. They have billboards coming out, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing they just got, game release will be coming out, AI trading bot. There is taxes, 4%, 3% goes to marketing, 1% liquidity, so you'll probably have to set your slippage somewhere around 4%. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so you get this token from Uniswap. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, so you'll get this token from PancakeSwap, and you'll have to set your slippage somewhere around 4%. Now, they have 2,036 holders so far, so they're doing pretty well so far. Like I said, they're up well over 200% earlier. But again, I don't see a full audit anywhere. I'm scrolling through their webpage now. Their team is not really doxed. It's just cartoon pictures. So yeah, just be aware, there could be some security issues with no audit, no KYC. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.